Hi guys, welcome back to another Jeff and Chidu video. Today I am going to work on this wall in the laundry. We actually bought a wallpaper steamer, and this time we're really hoping that with the steamer the wallpaper will come off evenly and that there will not be any glue residue left. And then hopefully this is going to improve the surface of the wall, and maybe then I won't have to do so much skimming or plastering. Let's see how it goes. We've already taken out one layer of wallpaper, and guess what? There's one more sitting behind. And what's worse is the steam isn't going through this layer of wallpaper. I think it's like waterproof. So we have to tear it by hand, I think. And then get down to the brown layer, which the steamer should be able to remove. And then on this wall, which is the other half of the wall that's already been skim coated, hopefully there's only one layer of wallpaper. So with the steamer going over it, I think that should be it for the day. So you can see the wall behind me. They're in quite a bad condition. What I'll do today is sand them down so that at least they're smooth and even. Once I get this down and flat, then I can put on the skim coat. Sanding today. Here's my plastering tip. I'm not a professional, but this is how I do it because I'm not a professional. For example, if you had to do a strip, sometimes you're joining two plasterboards and you need to join between the two, and so I'll apply my plaster. Let's say this is the strip, and you're trying to push it into the gap. Let's say the gap's just between these two, right down the middle, and it could be any length, and you just have to put enough plaster. And then you always want to clean your knife. Make sure there's nothing on it. That'll give you smooth results. I like to use a wide knife, and then you just go on either side, putting pressure on the external side. Could be your index finger, could be your thumb, and then you just press it down like that. And this here is called feathering, and feathering has to be done when the plaster is still wet. Then you do it on the other side, like that. And then you do it in the middle with even pressure. And that's kind of how you do it. Don't worry too much if you have imperfect feathering, because then you can come back and just lightly sand it off. So that's how I do my plastering. And I apply the same principle if I had a larger area. Then I'll apply the very same principles. First by doing all the outside, feathering them first. So what you're left with is a thicker middle, and then I just go down whichever direction that suits you best. You do it horizontally and then working your way inwards. And then you can just do it again where there are lines. Apply even pressure until you're happy with the result, basically. So that's kind of the first layer. How I usually do this is on a big wall, I would do patches as the first layer, and then I'd come back and work in between them by using the strip method. I usually take about 3 to 4 layers before I get a result like that. I know professionals, they would use a paint roller and they would roll on, but I'm a bit too slow and the plaster tends to dry up and I won't have the opportunity to feather it out to this quality. So that is why I work in patches. Okay, so it's been quite a few weeks, but I've got all the plastering done in the laundry. And now I'm going to apply a layer of primer and then we'll start applying color to the laundry. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna have more work done to the laundry, so stay tuned. And we will see you again soon.